So about 2 days ago, my app remote to my Apple TVs stopped working. I have two of those and they stopped working at the very same time. So we could not control the Apple TV anymore. The volume up and down worked, but nothing else. And I think that is just because they were kind of unpaired when there was an update of the Apple TV. So today we're going to do a manual pairing to see if that works. And to do a manual pairing of the app remote with the Apple TV, we're going to press and hold the menu and the volume up button for about 5 seconds, and we also need to be about 3 inches, that is about 8 centimeters away from the Apple TV. So if we do that from here, we can see that we're going to get an error message on the screen. There it says bring your remote closer. So let's bring the remote closer to the Apple TV so we can see what happens. So that worked perfectly fine. So the next thing we can do before clicking away, that is to consider watching that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next after this video. So see you in that one. Have a good one. Bye.